So we'll solve this thing. So differentiate with respect to this much. Okay. We are going to solve very slowly. You will understand it. No? So these three. Yeah. So let us solve first. So how will we solve this? Little bit idea. Uh, so whenever this type of question will differentiate with respect to x. So this entire function you consider as y. Y equal to 8 power x divided by sin x. Now this is in the form of u by v. So this will be taken as u and this will be taken as v. Okay. Now what will be the differentiation of u by v? So the differentiation of u upon v will be, so formula v square. In the numerator you will write v, right? Then you will be writing du by dx minus u into dv by dx. This formula we will use. Okay. So now I'm differentiating this function. Okay. This one I'm differentiating. So this will be taken as dy by dx is equal to v square. So sin x square. Okay. Then sin x v into du by dx into d by dx of 8 power x minus then u outside, then d by dx of sin x. Okay. Now we will write, and let me close it. Uh, now this is sin x, right? And then d by dx of ex will be ex only into ex minus not u. This will be 8 power x. 8 power x. Then I'll be differentiating this. D by dx of sin x is cos x divided by sin square x. This is the answer. You can still take common. This and this are common. So you can take 8 power x is common. And then it will be sin x minus cos x divided by sin square x. So this is the final answer. Hope you understood. Right, Dheeraj? Am I recording or not? Yeah.
Yeah, recording, sir.
Now y equal to e power sine inverse x. Second question is, I'm going a little slow so that you'll understand. Can you help me? What will it say? Y equal to e to power sine inverse x. This is the question. Okay. This is in the form e to power x, where treat this as x. So what is the formula of dy by dx? Okay. And e to power x differentiation is e to power x only. Okay. So this will become e to power sine inverse x. Then see, we are doing this first, then we have to do differentiation of this. Okay. Chain rule. Sine inverse x. Go try this. So it is e to power sine inverse x into d by dx of sine inverse x. Direct substitution is this much. So this is your answer. Third one is e to power x cube. So let y is equal to e to power x cube. So far we know, right? This can be taken as x. So this will become e to power x. So just differentiate this with respect to x. This will become dy by dx is equal to e to power x cube into d by dx of x cube. So this will become e to power x cube into 3x square. This is your answer. How will we do? Now this will be taken as y. The entire thing will be taken as y. So write y equal to sine tan inverse 8 power minus x. Right? So now this differentiation can be done, should be done in 3 steps. First, you have to find the differentiation of sine. Right? Then you have to find differentiation of tan inverse. Right? Then you have to find differentiation of, this is like this, 8 power minus x. So it will happen in 3 steps. Let us do that. So it will be dy by dx. So if if you're taking this sign, the entire thing will be angle. So differentiation of sine is cos. So we can write cos into tan inverse 8 power minus 6. Right? Okay. Then into d by dx of second I'm doing. This one I'm doing. D by dx of tan inverse 8 power minus 6. So this e to the power x we take as x. So here it is done. Until it is here done. Now d by dx of tan inverse x is how much? How much is d by dx of tan inverse x?
1 by 1 plus x
1
square.
plus x. But in place of x, we will have 8 power minus x. So this will become 1 by 1 plus 8 power minus x square. Then again we will apply chain rule here. So we'll be writing d by dx of 8 power minus x. Okay. So in the next step, you can just copy this. This is also done. So you can copy this. Now d by dx of e to power minus x. E to power minus x differentiation is e to power minus x. Then we have to do differentiation of minus x. This one we have to do. So d by dx of minus x. Okay. This into this into 8 power minus x into d by dx of minus x is minus 1. So my answer will be, I'm just copying now. So in the numerator, it will be minus 8 power minus 6. In exam, you'll be writing everything. Okay. I'm just, in order to save time, I'm doing this. Then here it is cos. In numerator, whatever is that, you can copy first. Cos tan inverse 8 power minus x. Okay. So maybe we can write in this bracket. So numerator is done. And in the denominator, this one will come. 1 plus 8 power minus x whole square. You can write it like 8 power minus 2x. Okay. So the final answer will be minus 8 power minus x into cos, just copy this, into tan inverse 8 power minus x, and this is 1 plus 8 power minus 2x. Clear
Yes, sir.
here, Dheeraj?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us do it one more similar question. Y equal to sine is given, right? I'll have cos here. Something else. So this is our question. So fourth only I'm writing, but right this time I'm writing y equal to cos into tan inverse 8 power minus 6. So what will happen, right? First, we need to think how many times differentiation will happen. So this is one term. So first differentiation will happen here. This tan inverse is second one. And this is third one. So 3 times we have to differentiate. Maybe tan inverse equal minus x. Just mark it for understanding. Okay. Now please tell me like how will we write?
Differentiate cos, like, and then tan
dy
inverse.
by dx is equal to, in place of cos it will be minus sign, right? Minus sign. This angle is theta. This entire is theta, right? Or you can say x. So this will be tan inverse 8 per minus x. So outer first is done. Now we'll do the second one. So in order to second one, please write this like this. Okay? Don't solve at once. In school you can do, but in exam don't do. In exam write like me. Okay. So this is done. Right? So I don't need to copy this one. Right? Now tan inverse x. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. But here in place of x, what is given? 8 per minus x. So I'll be changing it to 1 by 1 plus 8 power minus x square. Then we need to differentiate this now into d by dx of 8 per minus x. Okay. So this will further become this one. Then now this also I'm copying here. Now this term will become d by dx 8 per minus x. 8 per minus x is 8 per minus x, right? And then d by dx of minus x. This will come. Now this also I will just copy. The first term, second term, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term. And d by dx of minus x is minus 1. Because d by dx of x is 1. So now my answer will be, did I write here minus x? No, right? Correct. Okay. So see here, there is, here minus is there, right? Minus sign is there, no? Here also minus is there. So this minus and this minus will become plus. So you will get 8 per minus x. First I'm writing numerator. Then this minus minus became plus. Okay. Then sine tan inverse 8 per minus x. Then in second term it is 1. So we have done this, we have done this, and we have done this. Okay. So only all the numerators are copied. I have to copy denominator. In denominator, what is coming? Only this term. Clear, right? Skipping some step. That will not be a problem, no?
Oh.
So this is answer. How will we solve now this one? Fifth. Just think a little bit. So I'm going to solve fifth now. If you know the method, it will be easier to solve. Okay? The steps we should know. Okay. What is the step? See, we don't need to worry. First, let y equal to log cos e power x. In place of theta, we have e to power x. Not a problem. This will be like this. I'm just changing the brackets. Then, how many times differentiation will happen? First, this will get differentiated and this, right? And then this will also get differentiated 3 times. Okay. So differentiating with respect to x will give us d by dx log x. Differentiation of log x is how much? D by dx of log x is
1 by x.
1 by x. So this will be 1 by cos ex. Then second term will get differentiated. D by dx of cos ex. Okay. I'm just not copying this. D by dx of cos. Cos will get differentiated now. This will become minus sine. Cos d by dx of cos x is minus sine x. Minus sine e to power x into d by dx of this e to power x. And you can simply write, I'll copy this term, then I'll copy this term, and e to power x is e to power x1. So what is the answer now? Answer is minus e to power x into, I'm just bringing e to power x this side, sine e to power x divided by cos e to power x. This is also your answer, or if you want sine, see, angles are equal. This angle and this angle are equal. So you can also change it into minus 8 power x into sine x by cos x is 10x. So this will become 10 e to power x. Got it?
Yes.
Now we'll go for a little longer one. Okay. These questions are important, Dheeraj. Sixth one. So first we need to see what is hidden. So we need to identify the pattern first. Now the pattern is, here it is e to power x. Then they are given e to power x square. So here power is 1. and last term is for x5. So 3 and 4 are missing. Right? Dot 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 means there are two more terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be e to power x3 plus e to power x4 plus e to power x5. These two terms were missing. We have added. So now this will become my y. Now y equal to this much. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. So each term will get differentiated. Okay. So this is nothing but e to power x. E to power x, d by dx of e to power x is e to power x. So this is done. First term. Now second term I am doing plus. So treat this as x now. Okay. So this will become e to power x square. Then I have to do differentiation of x square. This term will also get differentiated. So d by dx of x square. CG only. You have to just identify the term. Now this will be treated as, I'm going for third. This will be taken as x. Okay. So it will be e to power x cube into d by dx of x cube. Plus I'm taking fourth term now, and then we'll take fifth. So here x to the power 4 will be taken as x. Okay. So this will become e to power x5, sorry, e to power x4 into d by dx of x4, right? Plus fifth term I'm doing now. So it will be, now it will be taken as x5 will be taken as x. Okay. So this will be e to power x5 into d by dx of x power 5. Please let me know if you're not understanding. I'll repeat. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Each term is I'm taking as x. Okay. Here, this is taken as x. So I am not differentiating x because the differentiation of x will be 1 only. It is x square. So e to power x square, then I have to differentiate this x square also. Then here it is x cube. So we are taking e to the power x cube, right? Because x cube is taken as x. And then I am differentiating x cube here. So likewise is happening. Okay? So it is e to power x plus e to power x square into 2x plus, now this term only, e to power x cube into d by dx of x3 will be 3x square. Then e to power x4 copying as it is into d by dx of x4 will be 4x cube. Right? Then I am writing e to power x5 then d by dx of x power 5 is 5x4. So this is my answer. We can just copy like that. E to power x plus, just bring everything in order, 2x e to power x square plus this term 3x square into e to power x cube plus 4x cube into 8 power x4 plus, I'm writing 5x4 first and then 8 power x5. Okay? So this is my dy by dx. I hope you understood. Now 7th. So questions will be simple only. Okay? You have to apply the logic. So how will we do, Dheeraj? Y equal to, we'll take this as x. I mean, this as y, right? Y equal to root 8 power root x. Okay? So we can just simplify it. It will be 8 power root x to the power half. Right? So now I cannot write e to power x. Okay? This is in the form of x to the power n, where it is x and this is n. Right? So first this will get, this is outer one. This will be differentiated first, then inner will be differentiated. Okay? Clear, right?
Yeah.
Dheeraj?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if we differentiate it with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equal to half. X to the power n is nx n minus 1. I'm applying this formula. So half, then e to power root x, half minus 1. Okay. So outer is done. Now we'll go for inner. Means d by dx of e to power root x. Okay. This you can write 1 by 2. This will come down. What is the differentiation of root x?
1 by 2 root x.
Yeah. 1 by 2 root x. Okay. So let me solve it. Don't want to confuse. So this will be 1 by 2. Inside, no need to touch. This will be minus half. Correct? Into d by dx of e to power root x. E to power root x is how much? E to power x is x. Treat this as x. So this will be e to power x. Then now I will do differentiation of root x. D by dx of root x. Now this will become 1 by 2. Now this is half, right? So we can write it like this. E to power root x. Into e to power x. Then again root x is there. You said, right? It is 2 root x. So this will be 1 by 2 root x. And then inside term is x. Now if you want to do d by dx of x, that will be 1 only. Okay? So I'm not doing that. Okay? We can directly write like this. This is also correct. So now we can write like this. This is in the numerator, what is there? E to power x divided by 2 into 2, 4. 4 root x into root e to power root x. This is your dy by dx. I hope you understood it. Let me know if you didn't understand. Okay. So we have done with this. We'll do 8th. These conditions will be there to confuse us. Okay. In exam also certain conditions will be there. X is greater than 1. Now what is the formula, sir? Like how will we do? The entire, this is the expression, no? So this is a function. You will take y equal to log x. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x. So this will become dy by dx. And this is log, then this will be taking, you will be taking this as x. So differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So first this will get it. You are differentiating log. This will become 1 by log x. Differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x. So 1 by log x, okay, into d by dx of log x. This is 1 by log x into log x is 1 by x. So this is my answer. Ninth. So which rule I'll apply here? So this
U by V
taken
rule.
as y equal to cos x by log x. So this is in the form of u by v, right? And differentiation of u by v is how much? U by v is equal to root over v square. Then v will come out and then we'll take du by dx. Minus v will come, u will come out and you will take dv by dx. So we'll apply this. So dy by dx is log x square. Then v into, this is v. So v into means log x into d by dx of cos x. This is this came out and you're taking differentiation of this minus, right? Then we have to take cos x outside and d by dx of v, hence d by dx of log x. Okay. So d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Here, how will you write? This is log x square, right? You can write it like 2 log x. This is log x. Then differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Minus cos x into d by dx of log x 1 by x. So, is there anything common here? No. What is common coming? It is nothing but minus sin x into log x minus cos x by x. Take LCM. And then 2 logs. So LCM of 1 on x is x. We are taking x. See, here x is missing, so x will go this side. So this will become minus x into sin x and cos. Sin x log x minus cos x. Then divided by 2 log x. This is our answer. If you want to simplify it, you can more simplify. I don't think anything is coming as a common. So this will be minus x into sin x into log x minus cos x divided by x into, this will go up, right? You can write it like this, x into, so 1 by 2 log x. How much will be answer now? Minus x sin x. See, you can write here also. This is also correct. Okay. Minus cos x. But write until last one. That will be easier. Okay. Because examiners in board look for the final answer. Log x. So this is our answer. Got it? So very simple. Until here we got the answer, right? And we have just simplified further. So the last one here is 10. Can you solve it, Dheeraj?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you just tell me how?
Dy by dx
y equal to cos log x plus e to power x. Okay. Now, how many times we have to differentiate? First, which one will get differentiated? First cos, then
log x
inside,
and e power.
yeah, then this one, inner. This is together now. So let us do this first. Okay. So this will be dy by dx. Cos will become minus sine. Sine log x plus e to power x. Okay. Then d by dx of inner we will do. Okay. Log x plus e to power x. I'm not copying this. Okay. We'll go on solve this. So this will become d by dx of log x. Now it is in a plus b form, right? So this will again become d by dx of e to power x. Okay. I'm not copying this. D by dx of log x is 1 by x, and d by dx, sorry, it's plus. So this will be plus e to power x. Right? Now, if you want, you can copy it here. This will be minus sine log x plus e to power x. Okay. Now solve it. This is x LCM. Right? 1 plus x into 8 power x. Right? Into minus sine log x plus 8 power x. This is our answer. Okay. This is dy by dx. So let me do some practice exercise. Okay. Exponential functions. You'll get numerous questions to practice. We'll do the difficult ones. Tell me which one you want to do.
Anything is fine.
Which one?
Anything is fine.
Anything is fine. Okay. Okay. Let us do these two markers. These are board questions, so you should know how to solve. Now you please guide me. Okay. We'll do it together. So first logic, right? The question is y equal to x e to power x. So we have to identify the form. This is in UV form. And we know d by dx of UV is, this is not u by v, this is u into v. So there will be u outside into dv by dx plus v outside. First you are taking this and differentiating this. Then you are taking this and differentiating this. Okay. So I'm taking v and differentiating u. du dx. In exam, please write applying this formula. Okay. What is happening now? This will become dy by dx is equal to x outside, then d by dx of e to power x plus e to power x outside, then d by dx of x. This will become x d by dx of ex is e to power x plus e to power x d by dx of x is 1. Now we can see this and this is common. So e to the power x is common. So this is our answer. Right? Okay, very simple. Yeah. And this is easy, right? But I'll solve it because this is board question. Now, what is given? This is d by dx of this much. So just take it as y. Y equal to x square e to power 3x. Again, this is in the form of uv. Okay. So if you differentiate with respect to x, I'm taking u this. So u outside means x square outside and d by dx of e to power 3x plus e to power 3x outside, then d by dx of x square. Okay. This will become x square into, take this as x. So this will become e to power 3x. Then I have to differentiate this 3x d by dx of 3x plus e to power 3x into x square. D by dx of x square is 2x. So now we'll get our answer. X square into e to power 3x into 3. D by dx of 3x is 3. D by dx of x is 1. Okay. Plus e to power 3x. Sorry. Into 2x. So something is common now. This e to power 3x, e to power 3x common, and x is also common. So I'm taking, sorry, x common and e to power 3x common. So here we will be left with x and 3. So 3x plus this and this has gone. So 2 is remaining. This is your answer. Now we will do one for u by v method. So we have y equal to e to power x by x. Okay. So this is in the form of u by v. And u by v differentiation will be like, first we'll write v square, then v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. Okay. Let us solve it. So this can be written as, now differentiating with respect to x. So this is dy by dx is equal to x square, then this will go up, x into du by dx. U is this, so d by dx of e to power x minus v. V is of what? Into d by dx of v. V is x. Now this became x square, x into d by dx of e. D by dx of ex will be ex only, minus e to power x, d by dx of x is 1. Okay. So you are getting x e to power x minus e to power x by x square. This is your answer. You can take e to power x common here. And x minus 1 x square. This is your dy by dx. Yeah. Now let me stop the recording. We'll solve together.